morning. Boy, what a cracky job. Started to get some of the wiring in, that all got labelled so we know where it was going to. Then we did another trip to B&Q, no doubt there'll be many more of these as well. Husband climbed on the roof, got the solar panels up and then cut the hole for the max fan. Put the roof beams up, ready for the ceiling to go up, and that's about it for today. Made a massive denting on the inside today. So if you like what I'm doing, like, subscribe and come back for day 8. Thank you.